Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is one of the casting I was waiting for so long, the Pagani Utopia, and I bought it for 179. So I really wish they did it in a different color, like any dark color, at least in black or dark blue, dark red, or at least dark green. Okay, maybe there will be some recolors in future, I guess. Okay, so this is I think I saw multiples, of this in a box, like three pieces in a box. So you will get this easily if you guys are worrying about it. So just look at the right place. That's it. So a lot of you guys are asking from where I'm buying all this and things. See, I do have some shops who are really close to me. They buy entire box just for me. So I'll buy for myself and for my group as well. So that's how I'm getting all these cars. So I'm not buying from online. Definitely no. Specifically for Hotwheels, I'm not going to buy it online. If you are talking about these castings like here, the Tamikas or the Maisto ones, or Mini GTs, Tarmac, Pop Race, these things I will buy it online. So because like 90% of the time, I am not having any retailer or any friends to sell it to me. So okay, so let's talk about this casting. So out of the box, this looks good. Okay, so far I don't see any irregularities in the paint job. Okay, yeah, sorry, I take that back. There is some issue with the paint job here. I think you can see it here. Let me just can see it here. So it has some logo detailing here, which is really nice. So good that the headlights are painted, because if they didn't paint the headlights on Paganis, it is going to look like just front, that sharper side of the egg. It does look like a egg if you look at it in a different perspective. But it is good for aerodynamics. I'm not going to say no to that, but still I always feel like when I'm looking at a Pagani, I always feel like it's like half egg and half car. So it does have some exhaust detail to it, which is really nice. The logo detailing here, which is also nice, but sadly there is no tail light details here. Okay, the body is fully made of metal and the chassis is fully made of plastic, but everything is in single color. So I wish they did some different color. There are some interior detail into it, which is really nice. The interior details are really nice, which is true to this particular car, because Pagani goes with the elegance, so they did really good on this one. Let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls okay. The rear wheel wobbles a lot, which makes the car actually roll like this, as you can see here. Front wheel also wobbles, but it is very little. But rear wheel wobbles a lot, which you can see very easily. But all in all, this is a really good casting if you ask me. So if you guys are wondering if you guys are able to get this one, just go ahead and get it, which is really nice. It does have the wiper detail as well. It's really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.